Is the boy bash video, they must say, I'm up on a stunt bicycle. I mean, I do not stunt, you know? You know, something go. The man Rasta road a corner there. That is it. Yeah, guys, happy Emancipation Day. You know, energy come down. You know, so, yeah. This is yard as is Jamaica yard life up and about. And when they are out and about with the poor man's corner. Yeah, man, and we are start out the skate them. Yeah, man. This is St. Thomas, Jamaica. Yeah, man. Yeah, that is no preservative, no additive, all that time. A Rasta road and give yourself a lot of trouble. Guys, you have to catch Rasta in the studio a little bit from this. Yeah, man. Statics are go up and about and I put together a small project that him have pending. Come on, yard. It's a blessed day. As we said, with the poor man's corner, St. Thomas. Yeah, man. It's a, well, Rasta's a rich man corner, not poor man's. Love and love alone, guys. Keep getting up, getting about, getting out there and doing the work. Right thing. Come on, yard, man. Grab a skate. And I'm alone today. Yeah, man. That is it. See all one there in the corner there. Yeah, man. So choose which one you all want to ride. And you know, it's something we are ride out today. Full rev. That is it.